Hi, Paul again from S&S Cycle. We're here with Parts Europe at the Eicma 2019 show, and we brought in an FTR 1200. It's a brand new motorcycle for Europe, brand new to the world, and everybody loves it, but everybody likes to make it look like the race team. And as many of you know, S&S Cycle runs the race team for Indian. So, we built a race-inspired 2-in-2 exhaust, all out of stainless steel. That's featured on this bike. You can also buy a slip-on with a carbon fiber tip. And this one, the big news on this, is it's E-approved now, so you can use it in every country in Europe. It's really awesome. Come check it out.